favorite truck we have in the shop right now. It's just super killer. Original patina in the front. It was a motorhome all the way through the doors, and then the bed has been added and patinaed to match, including the pinstriping. Gonna have the only C10 around with some cap marker lights. The tires are on for staging. We have some rallies that go with it. We could be talked into having these wheels go with it as well, but the tires do need to be replaced. Factory buckets. Really, everything seems to work in here.